Okay, so what are all of these for?
Because you're coming right off the beach. You can dip your feet in, kind of rinses the sand off.
There are so many elements of this house that I love. I mean, even just from walking in here, there's a lot of things that resemble the other property. No corners, very inviting, a lot of wood. I love these giant sliding glass doors. With this particular sister property, it has a similar setup. Multiple villas all over the place. This one kind of being the biggest one.
It's a 4-bedroom villa, sleeps 10. It holds a special place in my heart.
You've been here for so long. Tell me about, this particular property.
This is the Casa Palmas house. This is our first house, first villa. At the time, there weren't very many hotels or anything along the beach. It was just a big expanse of white sand. And this house actually was at the very front.
I bet you had a view of the beach that was just next level.
Yes.
It'd be one of the first houses. I'm sure it was built more for as a family home than it was a vacation rental, right?
It kind of did both because my parents were snowbirds. So it was a place that we would come on holiday, and it was also a vacation home.
How many people can sleep at this house?
This villa sleeps 10 people.
Okay.
There's one bedroom on the main floor that's a queen bed, has an ensuite, little Juliet balcony so you can get some connection to the outside. Then when you go up the stairs, there's 2 bedrooms on the second floor.
Okay.
This one is primary with the king-size bed, also direct sea views, kind of a balcony that joins the 2 rooms. Second bedroom on the upstairs has the queen bed and also 2 bunk beds. So it's kind of perfect for families, kids, everyone's comfortable.
And all the rooms have a view looking out, which is awesome as well. And this is what you want to feel, is just when this breeze is just coming through the window. This is what you want.
You want to feel the sea. It makes you feel alive. Okay, Rob, I want to take you upstairs. I need to show you this room.
I love it. I love it.
Here we are, rooftop.
And you just keeps getting better.
Wait till you see inside.
This is the ultimate primary.
The palapa roofs are a very traditional kind of style of building here.
Well, I've always been so amazed that, a palapa roof can actually withstand the elements.
Yeah, it is impressive. It's very simple engineering.
But that seems like a big part of what Tulum is actually trying to be as part of nature as possible. Trying to be as
harmonious with your natural environment as possible. There's no plastics. We're very conscious of trying to have a minimal imprint. We know that that's important.
I'm going to go explore more. We're going to the jungle. Any advice?
Just go with an open mind and an open heart, and you will be surprised at all the gifts you receive.
Yep. Can't say any better myself. Thank you.